Hi, I'm Laura and I'll be walking you through how to create a graph on Zamplo. With Zamplo, you can track, graph, analyze, and view trends in your symptoms, activities, and health data. Better understanding trends in your health data will allow for more informed decision making and enhance your engagement at your medical appointments and throughout your healthcare journey. With the graph, you can see how a symptom may be impacted by an activity or medication. For example, you can visualize how a symptom, like a migraine, may be positively or negatively impacted by an activity like yoga. You can track migraines and yoga over a period of time, such as 2 weeks, and make note of any trends that occur between the symptom and activity. To get started on creating a graph, open the Zamplo app. From the dashboard, navigate to More on the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Graphs and go ahead and click on Add. To create a graph from scratch, click on Create a new graph. Give your graph a title. You can also choose the start and end date that you'd like to set for the graph by selecting the default choices: all, 1 month, 3 months, or customize the dates by clicking on Custom. Scroll down to Activities, Medications and Supplements, Symptoms, and Health Data. Choose what information you'd like to graph. You can customize whether you want the activity, medication, symptom, or health data to be represented as a bar, line, or dash. You can also set a minimum and maximum range and the color that will represent the information. When you've finished selecting and customizing the information you'd like to graph, you can scroll up to the top of the screen and see the graph. Once you're happy with the result, click Save. And there you go, you have now successfully created a graph.